What's going on, guys? I hope you're keeping well. I know it's been a couple of weeks again since the last video was dropped. I will explain the cap, so just bear with me. But yeah, I hope you guys are keeping well with all this COVID-19 and whatever coronavirus going on. But I suppose it, gives us time to chill out and fix our cars and do other bits and pieces at home, which we've never got time to do. So yeah, the golf, obviously, having that said, with this whole COVID-19, we've been trying to push on and, get it done. And we're nearly there. This was supposed to be the last video, so I do apologize. I thought this would be the last. I could just edit this video and get it all out and it'd be the whole unveiling and everything. But guys, it's just too much footage. I was trying to edit it last night. Today is Saturday. So yesterday, Friday, trying to edit it, it was just too much. It was over like 60 minutes trimmed down. So I'm going to have to trim it further down and obviously, make it into maybe 2 parts. But anyway, yeah, so the Golf, actually, I finished repairing it as far as the mechanicals of it, radiator, all that, oil cooler. And I was just waiting on parts, bumper, etc. So while I was waiting for that stuff, I got impatient and took the car out, on a test drive, to see exactly what it was going to do. If everything was running perfectly and whatever. And straight away I had problems, which you'll see in this video anyway. So I had a boost leak and the radiator that I bought was bloody leaking. So yeah, it was, honestly guys, it's like I'm backtracking because all this stuff, we've just done it in the past couple of videos, you know what I mean? So, and yeah, the cap situation, I have had to have a haircut at home, so it's not exactly a haircut I'm proud of, you know what I mean? So I'm not going to show you guys that. I'd rather just put the cap on. And the reason there's Honda there is I'm a massive Honda fan deep down from long ago. So I do like all cars. I'm not just a VW orientated person, really. So yeah, but anyways, let's get into the video and I'll catch you guys up at the end. Some gloves on. Hands are like an ice cube. Looks alright, doesn't it? So it does need a bit of adjustments here and there. You can see that, not as much as that. And we're good to go. I mean, I could probably put that grill on and bumper, but yeah, I'm gonna leave it until those other parts come. What now, man? Damn thing. I wonder what's wrong with it now. Coolant. I have seen a bit of drippage going on, so let's see what's going on. Let me stop over and see what's going on here. Still stop. That's something to do with the coolant. Let's open this damn thing. Let's see what's going on. Some sort of leak. Okay. So we have a naughty leak there, guys. Let's see what's going on in here. The radiator must be damaged. see what's going on down there. Can't see much. This must be damn empty. Pressurized. That's low. Still not flush the system out, and that's damn low. So it means that radiator must be leaking. Damn. Luckily, guys, I move equipped. Since I've not flushed the system out, I always just move with this water just in case. So I'll give it a little top up, and hopefully that should keep it at bay. It's not a bad leak by the looks of it, so yeah. Looks like there's a lot of crap in there. Oh my god. What can I say, man? What's going on? It seems like there's a sludgy substance in the expansion tank now. I don't know if this is going to be the oil cooler or whatever, but nevertheless, it's not a bad leak. Looks like it had only leaked a little bit of some of the coolant, so I'm not exactly sure. So once I've got home, I'm not even going to film all of this because I've probably shown most of this radiator and, you know, oil cooler nonsense. So yeah, I'm going to strip it down, see what's going on. Maybe it's just a new radiator, you know. That slam panel, nothing on that thing was good besides the slam panel. Seriously, that car must have been just crap. So you can actually hear it, yeah? I'm going to boost now. Right, people. So, as you've seen, we just drove the Golf, and you can see there is a minor leak under there. So, and it seems like we're not getting very far with this car. Yeah, and there is a very, very sludgy substance. If you can see in there, you can see it on there as well. Horrible looking. What I do is, I'll put a little stick down there so you can see. I'll put my stick in there and show you guys. Look at that. So, I don't know if our issue is basically that the car itself overheated slightly when I had the crash in December, or that oil cooler that we put on that was actually in good looking condition might not be in the best of conditions internally. So we locked and loaded, and we'll put a brand new one on this time. It's not an original VW one, so let's just hope it does the job really. Here's our new rad. Obviously aluminium. Doesn't look like it's been welded by the best guy in the world, but yeah, hopefully it should do the job. This stupid leak that we have under here, we're not going to take any chances really. You can see it's peeing out there, so you can see under there as well. Can you see that? It's dripping and dripping, so let's get that changed out and see what happens there. Good old Golf, eh? Right, quick update, guys. I had to take the whole front end off again to get this new radiator on. You could probably try and get it, you know, without taking the whole front end off, but it's just such a pain in the ass. You may as well take the front end off, it's easier. So took the fans off as well. Let's get that thing in there, but yeah, it should be done soon anyway. Oh yeah, finally done. Guys, I'm telling you, I will never buy these cheap type aluminium radiators. I mean, they are so terribly measured and built. Everything, the bolts that you know, the normal radiator has, or screws rather should I say, which look like that, yeah, can't go into the aluminium radiator. So obviously you got to find your own screws. I've got the screw box, which I'm sure you guys have seen before, so I've had to, you know, modify them. All the brackets, these brackets that hold it in, I've had to modify every one of them. You can actually see some of them have even overstretched, and that one's even got a small crack on it. You know, you can actually see the other one as well, and the back one. So nothing's just been, you know, plain sailing. Even if you look at the measurements of where everything sort of fits, it's just not that greatly built. Even the front screws are all different. I've had to make a plan with them. So yeah, let's get it on, see what's going on. Hopefully it fits and works, hopefully. So let's see. Alright boys, so obviously our oil cooler is now all fitted, our brand new one this time. And the radiator, I don't know if you'll be able to see the radiator through there, yeah, through the fan blades there. And probably be able to see the upper mount here somewhere. So yeah, there we go, it's all fitted. Let's see if we can get a shot of underneath, anything under there. Yeah, there's obviously the bottom part of it. So yeah, that's all fitted for now. At least we can move on from here now. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I know it's like backtracking because some of the work here we've already done. But yeah, it's just I want to show you guys everything that's done on the car. I'm not going to miss anything out. I feel that I owe that to you, you know, subscribers and people watching this, because you guys have watched, you know, all these videos with the crash and fixing it and whatever. So yeah, I felt, you know, I'm going to just show you this bit, which obviously now means the next video should be the car. You know, completed as I mentioned before. But yeah, that the next video you're only gonna really see the R32 bumper, which is like a mammoth of work to get on, with the Leon Cooper R splitter. What else? The grille and my splash guards. You know, when I took the car on the test drive in this video, I didn't fully screw them, you know, the splash guards to the damaged bumper. So what happened is the tire bloody ate through them, which was not good. So I had to order new ones of them. When I took those off, there was rust and, well, corrosion rather, should I say. And I had to treat that corrosion, and yeah, so it's just taken time, you know what I mean, to actually get it done, yeah. But yeah, the next video should be it fully finished, guys, and then, you know, we can start with more mods which I have in the pipeline. But yeah, until next time, guys, keep your eyes peeled for the next video in the next couple of days. And I'll see you guys soon again. Take it easy. Cheers. Bye.